The Redragon K708MC-RGB-PRO keyboard is a game changer for any gamer. With its stunning RGB lighting and anime-inspired design, it not only looks great, but feels fantastic to type on. The mechanical switches provide that satisfying click, perfect for both gaming and typing. I recently unboxed it, and the build quality exceeded my expectations. The customizable lighting effects let you create your own vibe, whether you're in a heated battle or just chilling. Plus, the game test showed off its responsiveness. No lag here. If you're looking for a solid gaming keyboard that combines style and performance, the UCal K673 Pro is definitely worth considering.